guys, welcome back to Beauty Cake and Snack. Today we are making suya, the popular street meat in Nigeria. If you are in Nigeria, you haven't tried suya, you know you are not in Nigeria. This is a meat that everybody likes to buy every evening, so I'm going to show how to make it. As you can see, I'm cutting the meat. You have to buy best meat and you have to buy really good meat and cut it very thin. You have to be very thin. So you see, that's what I'm doing, cutting it, and then these are the ones I already did like that. You have to buy meat with not too much fat to do this. You have to be really thin. You have to be patient to do this. Yep, you see, very thin. Okay, now that I have finished cutting my meat, I'll just go straight put them in the bowl like that. So now I'm going to put my spice. This is Suya spice, so you can get this in any Africa shop. I'm going to put 2 big spoons. So after I do that, I'm going to put curry like that. I have to add just 2 of that like that. I'll add some thyme, not too much. And I'll take my chicken stock, not beef stock, chicken stock. It's very good, it flavors the suya very well. I'll take salt. Okay. Then I'll go for the oil. Use granite oil, which we call in Netherlands arachide oil. So put 2 spoons of this. Okay, after doing that, I'm going to weigh handle in my hand, and I'm just gonna marinate it. By the way, I have a meat here. The meat I have here is a kilo. A kilo meat I have. Now that I have marinated, I still have to add. Once I marinate that on it, now I'm going to add 1 more spoon of the pepper on it. There's a lot of meat, so spice, another 1 more spoon of oil. I can go through the pot that is first on the metro. So just go. So now that we have finished marinating it, we have to cover it up, put it in the fridge for 1 hour. 1 hour we have to put in the fridge. 1 good hour. Okay, that is it. So now we are putting the suya meat in the tray. Remember, this is beef. This is beef. Just make sure you spread it very well. And preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Oven to 200 degrees. about 10 minutes, then I'll come and look at it. So now I'm going to get it out. It's been in the oven for 10 minutes. I'm going to get it out because I'm going to turn it. I'm going to turn it, then I'll put it back again. So now you can see. If you are doing it in the barbecue, you won't see all this water. You see the water? You won't see all this water because they will just drain in the barbecue. Because it's not barbecue, it's oven. What I will do, I will take it off like this. Pour it all out. Just remove the paper, put new paper on it so it stays dry. Like that. If you are the type that like to eat a lot of pepper, then put more pepper. If you don't like pepper, then you don't have to put more pepper. I mean the suya spice. Pop it back in the oven. This is our Suya. Just out of the oven. This is really hot. This moment, what you want to do, so if just for adults, you can put the suya pepper on it now. For children's sake, you put on one side because not all children like to eat pepper. So what I'm going to do, I will take the suya spice, the same one I mixed with it.